dogs?
Two.
At.
Not.
Party.
One. We would. I'm still reading.
You're doing a good job, True. Are you reading, James? What are you reading? Yes, cheese. What are you reading, James?
Book.
What book is that? Dinosaurs?
Dog.
Can you read it to me?
Work. Dogs.
Read it. Open it and read it.
Work. Dogs.
I'd
Work.
not give it to me. Read it
Dogs
to me.
work.
Okay.
Toy dogs. Toy. Toy dogs.
Cheese.
Toy. Toy dogs.
I want you to read the book. I'm not taking a picture. Read it.
Are you taking a video?
Yes.
I want to see it.
About
I'll show it to you when I'm done.
a
Hi
moon.
again.
Smooth.
Hello again. Hello.
A
Do you
cake.
like
A
my
cake.
Cake.
No, I do. I do not like it. I do not like
Tiny.
Mm-hmm.
Moon.
Smooth.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Dinosaur singing.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Dogs in cars.
A witch. My witch.
Around.
Week.
Mm-hmm.
And what else?
Going.
Good.
What? Now does he? What's that?
We tried that word before. Do you remember it? Sound it out.
A witch.
Around in.
A witch.
Sound it out.
Again.
So what word do you think that is?
Again.
Yeah.
Go.
Dogs in cars. Again.
Echo.
Good. What is that?
Echo.
Going. Go.
Mhm.
Going. Go.
Going.
No.
Going.
Mhm.
A cook.
Ow.
Moon.
Going
moon.
away. Dogs in
The
cars.
moon.
Dogs in cars again.
Plum.
Going
A
away.
plum. A plum.
Going
A
away.
plum. A plum.
Is that going
Mhm.
away?
Mhm.
What's fast?
Good job, True.
Dogs in cars again. Going away. Going away fast. Fast.
You gonna listen to Drew read you a book?
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Do it there. Is this?